Ever heard the one about the guy who invested his life savings in a company that makes rubber chickens? It sounds like the setup to a joke, right? But believe it or not, this actually happened. Imagine putting all your hard-earned money into something as quirky and seemingly trivial as rubber chickens. You'd think it was a surefire way to make people laugh, and maybe it was, but not in the way you'd hope. The guy thought he was onto something big, something revolutionary. He envisioned a world where rubber chickens were the next big thing, a must-have item in every household. But reality had other plans. Yeah, not so funny when the bottom fell out of the rubber poultry market, right? The market for rubber chickens, as it turns out, wasn't as robust as he had hoped. The demand plummeted, and he was left with a warehouse full of unsold rubber chickens. It was a tough lesson in the unpredictability of investments. He went from dreaming of riches to facing financial ruin, all because he put his faith in a novelty item. It's a classic case of putting all your eggs in one basket, or in this case, all your chickens in one coop. But hey, investing doesn't have to be a comedy of errors. While the rubber chicken fiasco is a cautionary tale, it doesn't mean that all investments are doomed to fail. In fact, with the right knowledge and strategy, investing can be both fun and profitable. It's all about making informed decisions and understanding the market. You don't have to go it alone either. There are plenty of resources and communities out there to help you navigate the world of investments. So don't let one bad experience scare you off. It can actually be fun and even profitable once you know the ropes. Think of investing as a journey, one where you learn and grow along the way. It's not just about the destination, it's about the experiences and knowledge you gain. With the right approach, you can turn investing into an enjoyable and rewarding activity. Picture yourself checking your stock prices on a sunny day in the park, or celebrating your gains with friends at a picnic. These moments make the journey worthwhile. This ain't no casino, folks. Investing is not about gambling or taking wild risks. It's about making calculated decisions based on research and analysis. Unlike a casino, where the odds are often stacked against you, investing gives you the opportunity to tilt the odds in your favor. By understanding the market and making informed choices, you can build a solid financial future. It's a game of strategy, not chance. So, don't treat it like a roll of the dice. It's about building wealth over time. So buckle up, buttercups. Investing is a long-term commitment, much like climbing a mountain or planting a tree. It requires patience, perseverance, and a clear vision of your goals. The journey may be challenging, but the rewards are worth it. As you climb higher, you'll see the fruits of your labor and the growth of your investments. It's a process that takes time, but with determination and the right mindset, you can achieve financial success. We're about to dive into the wacky world of stock trading. Get ready to explore the ins and outs of the stock market, from the basics to the more advanced strategies. Whether you're a seasoned investor or a complete newbie, there's always something new to learn. So, grab your laptop, gather your friends, and let's embark on this exciting adventure together. The world of stock trading is full of surprises, and with the right approach, you can navigate it with confidence and success. First things first, let's define some jungle jargon. You might have heard these terms thrown around, but what do they really mean? Let's break it down in the simplest way possible. Stocks. Think of these as tiny pieces of big companies. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a small slice of that company. Imagine owning a piece of your favorite brand, like a slice of your favorite pizza. The value of your slice can go up or down, depending on how well the company performs. You buy a piece, you own a piece. It's like being a mini owner. And as an owner, you might even get a say in some company decisions, like voting on important matters. Plus, if the company does well, you could earn dividends, which are like little bonus payments. Bonds, like IOUs from the government or companies. When you buy a bond, you're lending money to the issuer, be it the government or a corporation. In return, they promise to pay you back with interest. Think of it as a loan you give, and they pay you for the privilege of using your money. They pay you interest, boring, but reliable. Bonds are often seen as safer investments compared to stocks because they provide regular interest payments and return your principal amount at the end of the term. It's like having a steady, predictable income market where all the buying and selling happens. The stock market is like a bustling marketplace where traders buy and sell stocks, bonds, and other securities. It's a dynamic environment where prices fluctuate based on supply and demand. It's like a giant online flea market for money. Just like at a flea market, you can find a wide variety of items to buy and sell. The only difference is that instead of antiques and crafts, you're dealing with financial instruments. Trading, the actual buying and selling of stocks and other stuff. Easy peasy, right? Hold your horses, cowboy. Trading might seem straightforward, but it requires knowledge, strategy, and a bit of luck. It's not just about clicking a button, it's about making informed decisions. Before you go throwing your money around like confetti, let's learn a thing or two about strategy. Understanding the basics is just the beginning. To be successful, you need to develop a strategy that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and investment horizon. So, buckle up and get ready for an exciting journey into the world of investing. You can't just waltz into the stock market like you own the place. You need a wingman, a partner in crime, a brokerage account. Choosing a brokerage is like picking a dance partner. You want someone reliable, trustworthy, and with low fees. Do your research, compare options, and find the one that fits your groove. Remember, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a killer stock portfolio. The stock market is like a roller coaster. It has its ups and downs, twists and turns. But don't let that scare you. Understanding market trends is key to successful investing. Are tech stocks hot? Is the energy sector cooling down? Keep your eyes peeled and your ears to the ground. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the stock market, knowledge can be very, very profitable. Here's a golden rule, folks. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. What if that basket happens to be filled with rotten tomatoes? Diversify your portfolio by investing in different sectors and asset classes. It's like having a buffet of investments, a little bit of everything to keep your portfolio healthy. Remember, a well-diversified portfolio is your shield against market volatility. Remember that old fable about the tortoise and the hare? Same deal with investing. Slow and steady wins the race. Don't expect to get rich quick. Focus on long-term growth and be patient. Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither is a winning investment strategy. Remember, patience is a virtue, especially when it comes to building wealth. Section 7. Avoiding rookie mistakes. Don't be that investor. We've all been there making rookie mistakes, but when it comes to investing, those mistakes can cost you a pretty penny. Avoid these common blunders. Emotional investing. Don't let fear or greed cloud your judgment. Following the herd. Just because everyone else is jumping on a bandwagon doesn't mean you should too. Ignoring research. Do your homework. Understand the companies you're investing in. Remember, knowledge is your best defense against costly mistakes. Section 8. Learning from the pros' resources for your financial journey. Don't worry, you don't have to navigate the stock market alone. There are tons of resources available to help you on your financial journey. Books. Crack open a book and soak up knowledge from the pros. Websites. Plenty of websites offer valuable insights and market analysis. Financial advisors. If you're feeling lost, consult with a financial advisor. Remember, the more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to make smart investment decisions. Section 9. The power of compound interest. Your money making more money. Compound interest is like magic. It's the snowball effect of investing. Your money making more money, and then that money making even more money. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow exponentially. Even small contributions can add up to big bucks over time. Remember, compound interest is your best friend when it comes to building long-term wealth. Section 10. Join the fun. Welcome to the most exciting part of our journey. Here we dive into the vibrant world of financial adventures where learning meets fun and excitement. Imagine yourself walking through a bustling city, surrounded by opportunities and the energy of people who are just as eager to explore the financial landscape as you are. Picture yourself in a park, where friends gather to share laughs and insights about their latest investment triumphs and challenges. This is where the magic happens, where knowledge is shared, and where you can truly feel the pulse of the financial world. Like and subscribe for more financial adventures. By subscribing, you become part of a community that thrives on curiosity and the pursuit of financial freedom. Every click, every like, and every subscription brings you closer to a treasure trove of tips, tricks, and strategies designed to make your financial journey not just profitable, but also enjoyable. Imagine the thrill of receiving the latest updates and insights right at your fingertips, whether you're in the heart of the city or relaxing in a serene park. Your smartphone becomes a gateway to a world of financial wisdom, connecting you with like-minded individuals who are on the same path to success. So there you have it, folks. The journey to financial freedom is not a solitary one. It's a collective experience, filled with moments of celebration and camaraderie. Picture yourself high-fiving friends after a successful trade, or sharing a laugh over a cup of coffee as you discuss the latest market trends. These are the moments that make the journey worthwhile, the moments that remind you that you're not alone in this adventure. Together, we can navigate the ups and downs of the financial markets, learning and growing with each step we take. Stock Trading 101: the basics, the laughs, and the path to financial freedom. It's about understanding the fundamentals, but also about enjoying the process. Imagine sitting on a park bench engrossed in a financial newspaper, or huddling with friends around a laptop, dissecting the latest stock charts. It's about those eureka moments when a complex concept suddenly makes sense, and the shared joy of discovering a promising investment opportunity. This is the essence of stock trading, a blend of knowledge, strategy, and a dash of fun. Remember, investing doesn't have to be scary or complicated. It can be as simple as a walk in the park, where each step you take is a step towards financial empowerment. Confidence is key, and with the right knowledge and tools, you can navigate the financial landscape with ease. Picture yourself walking through a city park, feeling confident and in control, or sitting with friends, smiling as you review financial charts on a laptop. These are the moments that define your journey. Moments that remind you that investing is within your reach. It can be fun, exciting, and even profitable with the right knowledge and approach. The thrill of seeing your investments grow, the excitement of discovering new opportunities, and the joy of celebrating your successes with friends, these are the rewards of a well-informed financial journey. Imagine the excitement of checking your smartphone in a park and seeing your investments flourish, or the satisfaction of enjoying a coffee in an outdoor cafe as you review your financial progress. With the right approach, investing becomes more than just a means to an end. It becomes an adventure. Now go forth and conquer the market. Armed with the knowledge and insights you've gained, you're ready to take on the financial world. Picture yourself walking confidently through a bustling city, or standing in a park with a determined look, ready to tackle the next challenge. Your journey is just beginning, and the possibilities are endless. The market is yours to explore, and with each step you take, you're one step closer to achieving your financial goals. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Financial Strategy for the Average Joe for more tips, tricks, and hilarious financial adventures. By staying connected, you'll continue to receive valuable insights and updates that will keep you ahead of the curve. Imagine the joy of sharing a laugh with friends in a park, or the satisfaction of giving a thumbs up as you achieve your financial milestones. Together, we can make the journey to financial freedom not just achievable, but also enjoyable. So join us and let's embark on this exciting adventure together.